Juicy Thai-inspired chicken skewers in 30 minutes. 1 creamy peanut sauce for both marinade and the dip. No grill, all flavor. Let's go! Hi, I'm Bea. I love simple recipe with bold flavors, and today's dish is one of my favorites. It's Thai-inspired chicken skewers with the creamiest peanut sauce. It's quick, packed with flavor, and it's made in the air fryer. It's just perfect for the busy days. Let's get into it. To make this quick and flavorful meal, we're gonna keep it super simple. Everything starts with just 1 peanut sauce. Just 1. So everything goes straight into the blender, starting with our lemongrass, ginger, and garlic for that fresh aromatic base. Then soy sauce, the star of the show, peanut butter, and a bit of honey to bring it all together. I'm adding sriracha for the heat, plus smoked paprika, cumin, and coriander for that warm Thai-inspired depth. And lastly, a bit of salt and coriander stalks. Just blend it until smooth and creamy. That's gonna be our one sauce for both the marinade and the dip. And of course, me being forgetful, I forgot to add the lime juice. Oops. That lime juice, it really brightens up the sauce, and it also cuts through the richness and brings everything to life. So now I'm gonna transfer the sauce into a bowl. We're gonna thin it out later for dipping, and save a 1/4 cup of it for marinating. I'm using chicken breast today, but thighs work great too. Just cut the chicken into 1-inch pieces, that way they're gonna cook evenly and stay tender. And then add our reserved sauce and mix until every piece is well coated. Let it marinate for at least 10 minutes while you prep the air fryer and get your skewers ready. Now I'm gonna lose up the rest of the peanut sauce. You can use coconut milk or regular milk, whatever you have on hand. I usually go with about a 1/4 cup. It gives me that perfect dipping consistency, but honestly, just go what feels right for you. And now we'll thread the chicken onto skewers. Try to place the pieces close together so they stay juicy and have time to develop that nice charred look without drying out. So this actually started as a quick lunch that I threw together on our busy day. I just want something fast, high protein, super easy. I didn't want to spend hours cooking and cleaning the kitchen. I shared the photo in our Instagram asking if you guys want to see the recipe, and so many of you guys said yes. So here we are. And talking about, if you're not following us there yet, come and join us. We are way more active on stories, sharing behind the scenes, recipe tests, and just our random daily life. And once the air fryer is ready, cook the skewers at 430 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes, flipping them halfway through. They should be golden, slightly charred on the edges, and cooked through. And the smell, so good. After they are cooked, you can brush the skewers with some melted butter mixed with chopped coriander. It's optional, but it makes them shiny, adds flavor, and a little bit of freshness on top. If you try this recipe, let me know how it turned out. I love hearing from you. And if you want more easy and flavor-packed meals like these, you'll find more ideas on our website, mundoeats.com. Thanks for being here. I'll see you on the next one.